Hey Greg, thank you for joining me today. We're really excited to have you and ask you a few questions and get to know you a little bit better. So thank you for being here.
Sure.
So the first question we have for you is, could you please tell us the good news about SIS that was effective January 1st?
So effective January 1st, SIS, we had a management buyout. Julie, Routt, and myself are now partners of the company. And our former COO, Sam Lewis, is now a strategic advisor and sits on our board with us. Julie and I both have over 20 years of Siemens experience. Julie's been with a couple other partners. I've been with SIS since 2000. That part of the business we've been doing for over 20 years. Anyway, as partner and senior vice president of sales and business development, my overall role and responsibility will be primarily on the revenue side of the business, and business development. How are we going to grow the business? The revenues that we're going to bring in, making sure that we're staying on track with our goals with Siemens and growing the business. Julie will be responsible as director of operations. She'll be responsible for really all the operations of the company, everything from back office ordering and invoicing and all the accounting functions and all that kind of stuff. So between the both of us, we bring quite a wealth of experience and knowledge working with Siemens to the forefront here.
That's great. Congratulations and thank you for sharing that.